So your kitchen would go here, an L-shaped kitchen. I'm standing at the front door, so as you come in, there's your kitchen. Here is your coat closet. I would recommend getting rid of that. I've got another place to put it. But then as you'd come in, you'd have a flat ceiling, and then here is where you'd vault that, put in sliding glass doors and windows where you see the one sliding glass door and window, and then windows up top to capture the view. So your living room, dining area would be this space here. Then your primary bath or bedroom is this here. And again, I'd recommend bigger window, sliding glass door, something. But the cool thing is it comes with a walk-in closet. And then your full bath. Now, this is one of our older models that didn't have a tile shower, but a tile shower is standard now. Set up for the toilet, and then a one sink vanity. Typically we do two now. All right, and then this has a split bedroom concept, which is nice. So going back the other direction, this is one of the other bedrooms. And yes, a larger window would fit there as well. Linen closet. Another linen closet, or this becomes your coat closet, or both. And then another bath here. Linen closet, tub, toilet, sink, and a vanity there. And then the other bedroom is over here. Now you may be wondering why the heck, closet, why the heck do we have the windows cracked? Well, the house was just taped and mudded, and see that condensation there? Someone had left the windows closed, so you have to have the windows cracked, or else that happens during the dry out process. All right, so that's the changes I would make to the Holcomb if it were me. Again, putting the kitchen back here, nice L-shaped kitchen, make that a smaller window above the sink, front door, remove that.